TPR. Well, they were cracked hard because the results did not satisfy, despite they had an upbeat outlook in some of their reports. Nonetheless, overall, I think people looked at this earnings announcement and said, you know what? Growth doesn't look as strong as it should look for this company. And for that reason, we're going to hit it. And a lot of people lowered targets too, Pete.
Yeah, they really pounded this one down. And is it for the right reasons? Maybe. I mean, it might even be a little bit of an overreaction, possibly. I mean, they had a few positives that you could go out and talk about, John. They talked about returning to profitability. I mean, that was one of them. I do understand also, though, that you look at Kate Spade and you see the challenges and the decline of about 11%. That probably spooked people a fair amount, because it would have spooked me. So I get it. But when you look, they did beat on their earnings. You know, the revenue was a little bit soft, I guess, but that's a pretty good crack that they're taking. So that would be one of those where I don't think that they are going to just turn and burn and start going right back up to the upside, but it's one that I certainly would keep on my radar to see, is there any kind of change? Is this thing going to, pull up a little bit over the next couple of weeks? I don't mean to just today. I mean over the next couple of weeks, because they do have some good numbers in certain spots. I mean, but expectations were very, very high, and they did not meet them.
Yep. And according to the technicals, Pete, somewhere in the consolidation zone, when you look at TPR, folks, it is 120 to 130 where we should find some footing. And right where we are, Pete? 130.
Of course.
So we'll see whether or not that holds. Now, again, if it doesn't, because they're down $23 from 153 to 130. But if they can hold in that range right there that I described, I think some people will be willing to come back into this one, Pete, despite the fact that this was not their shining moment in EPS land.